Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 27th of October. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Aquarius, this is your channel song. Hey, girl, me no wanna boring. Me no wanna boring wine. Me no wanna boring wine. Move your clothes and fuck on the line. Me no want a boring wine. No, me no want a boring wine. She don't want a boring wine. Baby, your pussy have to physically fit. Broke the cocky like dry maca. Nuff a girl flop when them fit. Nuff of them pop down when time me tell them this. Me want you for pedal and whip on a big fat cocky well on a candle. And hold on on your breast. Them like the handle, but we say ride on the cookie like a bicycle. Ride on the cookie like a bicycle. You know me love the tricycle. But don't tell us I'm not want a boring man. Ride on it like a bicycle. Ride on it like a bicycle. Yo, me love the way your tongue a tickle my nipple. Me love the way you no the way they say balance on your head and a big one. It's a hot fuck to get that fuck you will. That fuck you will mark you for that. Right, that's what I'm right on again like a bicycle. I'm getting, you know what, we're going back to not wanting boring girls. So where is the boring girls going to go? Sheen? Where? Sheen. Okay, never mind. I'm getting, you know, on a boring, you know, on a boring wine. Move your drawers and on the line, cause you don't want a boring wine. You don't want a boring wine, baby. Right? Your body have to physically fit, Aquarius. Anyways, let us go ahead and go into your compatibility readings. So something sounds very sexual, saying that you don't want any boring wine, okay? Did you ask them if they have a good relationship with their parents? Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Your compatibility relationship spread. Your desire is a 3 of swords. I'm getting your heart broken. Did you get a boring wine? The girl never moved the clothes up on the line. She fucking in the dryer. She fucked in the washroom. That's why. I'm getting you caught someone fucking in the washroom. Don't fuck in the washroom, people. I'm getting you. I don't know if you share laundry. Oh, you share laundry. I don't know where this has come from. I'm getting a share laundry and go to the laundry room, go catch 2 people are fucking in the laundry room. 2 people is having sex in the laundry room, at the laundromat, something like that. I don't know why I'm getting that right now. So your desire is the 3 of swords. I'm getting your heart broken. There's no desire here other than to make it stop. Their desires is a page of swords, yeah. Maybe somebody intentionally wanted you to see this. Somebody wanted you to see that they were cheating on you. Your theme is a Queen of Cups. You're getting a Cancer. Or I'm getting this Cancer is heartbroken. Somebody I watch up online, okay? Maybe somebody have a crush on you and you don't know this. But you think someone's heartbroken about something they saw online, okay? Your challenge is a 10 of Pentacles. Something about money. Maybe the Cancer is upset because you're finding out you get money. Me getting a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman was holding on to a lot of your money. Me getting she tell people say you have money, but me getting she not give you nothing. Me getting you don't have no money, you're gonna get your money now. Or me getting somebody gonna order this woman to give your money. And me getting she pissed because she never want to give you. It's a Pisces woman, she never want to give you this money what she owe you. She's hoping you forgot about it, or she hopes that you hang yourself and kill yourself so that she can get the money. Me getting she get fucked now because she already write a list as to what she gonna do with your money and what she gonna buy. Me getting she don't get it, she going to be ordered to give it to you. Me getting a years that woman you have your money and hold on pan. And people think you're a liar. People say that girl are wicked, that girl are walk and I beg people and she have money. Me getting somebody is like, the Pisces girl, yeah. Did she give you a boring wine? Or did you finally ride somebody cock like a bicycle till the girl forget your blood clot money? Me getting this white woman. Or me don't know if she just a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. She owe you enough blood clot money. Enough money she give her. She owe you 10 pentacles. That's why she heartbroken. Maybe she want if you cuss about it. She want if you realize it. A long time you know say they don't hold on the blood clot money. You think it's now? Who you want me make file complaint to? HR? Who you want me complain to? Cause anybody who you want me complain to, the girl's still higher than them. So I guess someone is waiting on you to die.
Or them a wait for you to forget about the money. Or them a wait for you to commit suicide and kill off your blood clot self. I'm getting, you're not going to keep the money blood clot long. You thought you were going to spend the money. You're not spending shit. Me getting somebody have your whole family, the whole community, think you're one fucking liar. Cause them a claim say you're going to make people money and you have, look how the family you come from. Look how much money she did. Don't Pisces did give her the money. Look how much money she have. Oh she dip online, I beg. Why are you trying to solicit money from some other people? Why are you asking for a loan? You don't have money. Me getting, no, they don't have money. The Pisces have the money. Or I'm getting the money is not given to who's supposed to get it. The money is given to this woman as she have the money. And I'm getting your whole community, your whole family, think that you have money and you don't want to share it with them, or they think you have money and you sit down upon. They think you choose to be homeless. Oh, they think you have money and because you don't want to spend your money, you don't want to rent nowhere, you want to stay at homeless shelter and eat homeless food. And made in HPV-filled fucking showers. That's what they think you want. You choose to stand in showers filled of HPV. That's what the fuck they think. Them think you're running that and they save your money. So I'm getting a lot of people, this could be even businesses, they think you're a fucking liar because they're saying we gave you a lot of money. What you do with the money? I'm getting gonna give the cancer the money. That's what you did with the money. Or I'm getting when you find out what a cancer did to you behind your back, I solicit money in your name. I don't know if the cancer girl and say to a sex worker, or the cancer girl and tell people say, both on the work together, on the perform threesomes for man. I don't know what the cancer say behind your back. But all I know that when you find out, I'm getting you'll never speak to them again. It has something to do with 10 of Pentacles or something to do with your family. Maybe the cancer is saying that they're your sister. I'm your sister from another mother. That's why we look different. No, the fuck we're not. Your emotional compatibility is the Knight of Cups. Your physical compatibility is the Ace of Wands. See them, I tell you to shop to give your money. Because I'm getting someone's wondering why you're still here. You have 10 of Pentacles. You can't go anywhere you want to go. You could have buy a car and learn how to drive the car in the meantime. Why are you still here? Because you never got anything. And if you do have 10 of Pentacles, because the cancer only give you one. One a month, they only get. Every month, she give you one. She not give you 10. So somebody is trying to watch your money or they might try to control your money for you. Or I'm getting you have a lot of money and this ugly bitch is pretty sad because she have to be sucking a man's dick who don't want her for money. And she have to call him her baby daddy. Meanwhile, you have a lot of money and I don't know how this woman gain access to your money. I don't know who give this woman access to your money for this woman for go around and tell people say a lie, yeah, till you spend off your. Somebody's trying to say that you're a cocaine addict. Because cocaine drugs expensive, right? It's expensive to have a cocaine habit. I'm getting somebody at work and tell people say, oh, you crack out and your cocaine out and that's where all of your money gone on. Crack and cocaine. I'm getting is a lie. The sour pussy Cancer or the sour pussy Pisces or the sour pussy Scorpio is hiding the people their money. And they don't want to give these people the money. You rent a place, be getting and she ever tell you what is your budget for rent the place. She ever tell you what you can and can't have in your place. You know, so you have enough money for rent one apartment, she'll give you one pentacle for rent an apartment with. In a basement, in a dirty ass basement, in a rat infested basement, she'll give you one a pentacle for the rent, even though she have 10 of pentacles a hold on upon. Cause me getting she not give you money because she jealous or she envious or she racist. You can't be a black nigga living better than me. You're mad? So I'm getting that is a pushback. I don't know who this woman is. Maybe she lesbian and she like you. Maybe she want you to suck her pussy for the money. Your mental compatibility is the Strength card. It could be a Leo also. Or am I getting that? Yeah, the Empress. Yeah, she mad as fuck. Because she have to work her ass off for something and it was given to you. Am I getting she want the Empress for live in a rat infested blood clot basement. And this is she want the Empress to live. She want the Empress to work at fucking McDonald's. Meanwhile, McDonald's, actually, speaking of McDonald's, Deadly E. coli outbreak is linked to McDonald's quarter pounder burger. Her pussy have E. coli, that's why she don't want to get your blood clot money. She want the Empress to live in a fucking basement. Bitch, your pussy is basement material, you know that? Your pussy is as big as a blood clot basement. You want Empress to go in a blood clot basement. You're bright in a blood clot. You're bright in a blood clot. That's what you thought. That's what you thought. You think say your pussy juices was that influential. Bitch, do your job properly before you get fired. Ho. But you want blood clot, Empress Philip. You want Empress Philip on one blood clot pentacle a day. You want the Empress to live on one pentacle a day. Meanwhile, you just watch her how she spend the one pentacle. And if she don't spend the one pentacle the way how you want her to spend it, you're not going to give her no other money. Perhaps you need the money for do a blood clot labiaplasty, or you need the money for do blood clot pussy reconstructive surgery. You want Empress to live on one blood clot pentacle a day. You want Empress to go take blood clot refuge in a blood clot basement. Your face look like a blood clot basement, bitch. Don't play with me. Don't fucking play with me. Ontario, Coke! That's why them no blood clot like me, you know, because I chat my business on social media. So when I chat my business on social media, them blood clot boss. Watch them hearing on fucking drop out. When them talk about blood clot business on social media, a magic that, you know, this is magic in front of your face just happen. Jewelry magic. Right? When I talk about my blood clot business on social media, them boss hear back. That's why I don't go to HR for nothing. I don't write complaints for nothing. You ever see a complaint written by me? It's not by me. I don't do that, those stupid shit. Those are for people who are still in the matrix. You need something done, you have to take matters in your own blood clot hands. Brighten up blood clots. Brighten up fucking blood clots. Then they're going to go around, you're so unappreciative. God. She doesn't even appreciate this little thing that we're doing for her. Do your job properly. That's what the fuck you need to do. Oh. But you want blood clot Empress to live. You want Empress to work at blood clot McDonald's. You want Empress to wipe up people blood clot shit. You want the Empress to live on one particular blood clot month. Sweetie, just because you had to settle for your life, it don't mean I have to settle for mine. Now baby no come out of my pussy, at least 3 come out of blood clot yours. Me and you is not the blood clot same. So act accordingly and stop embarrassing yourself, please. Make it look like you actually learned something at Continental College. Make it look like the Humber College you teach your blood clot something in sociology. In social work, make it look like you actually know a blood clot job. You want Empress to live on blood clot $1 a day. You $11 a day. You want blood clot Empress to go take out blood clot boring fast food job. Your blood clot Maddie, you're fucking crazy. We are not the same. Don't get it fucking too. You keep a try to think me and you're the same person. We're not the same person. We're not. So you can walk and tell the whole blood clot world I'm ungrateful. You can walk and tell the world I'm the biggest blood clot bitch. Oh the fuck well. Just because you cannot afford where you live, it don't mean that I have to settle for where you want my blood clot live. And that they want, you know, they want to put me in a blood clot basement. Basement your blood clot mad. I'd rather go back in another shelter. I told her already. I told my work on it already. So if our boss is watching, our boss can see this. Bright no blood clots. Bright, them want me share blood clot claim. Me homeless 5 blood clot years, them want me share blood clot place. Me not share nothing. Actually, I might share if it's actually good. Never mind, let's retract the statement, right? Them want people living in blood clot, nasty, dirty blood clot conditions. They want to take Ontario Works blood clot money and pay for housing for me for living in one nasty blood clot basement. And bright no blood clots. Bright no blood clot, I go up on Kijiji and show them the apartment them what the government will pay for. Them don't want me in a nice apartment. Them want me in a one blood clot closet basement, or them want me to be living in the living room of somebody else's house. Bright no blood clot. Me a blood clot Empress around here. Empress. That's why I don't talk to my workers about nothing. Anything I hear me talk about it online. So them boss can know, so 311 can blood clot know, and abuser man can blood clot know. And you can walk and say that I'm ungrateful. When you can walk and say I don't deserve it, that is okay. You're still walking trying to find out why your baby daddy do blood clot pay child support for those kids that they make him trick you and come in on you and have. That is blood clot fine. Not today. not to blood clot. Yeah, 2020 blood clot for me. A 31 right blood clot. No, I will take on any blood clot piercing. Anybody I'm not afraid to take on. So if that's what the plan was to get me out of a shelter and back in a basement again. That's what the plan was? That's what you thought was going to happen? Okay. You're very funny. You're very funny. You and your jealous ass stuff is very fucking funny. You and your big pussy jealous stuff is very funny. I don't give a fuck. When you think me give a fuck? No, I don't. Ask the blood clot firefighter them who the fuck me is. Me is the blood clot Tasmanian and devil. You hear? You want Empress for sit down in a blood clot office. You want Empress for wipe up shit. I could get my ass ate, you know that? My ass could be ate right now. For free. I could have done that, but you want Empress to wipe up people blood clot shit. Me and you is not the same person. You hear me tell you? We is not the same person. You are not on my level. When you were 31, yeah, white blood clot diaper. You're wiping up shit at 31 for your babies. You're running down a man to pay for the child for back to school when you're 31. You were not living like me when you were 31. You never made the decisions I made when you were 31. So don't you ever fucking compare yourself to me, ho. So prepare something that is worthy enough for the blood clot Empress, please. Thank you, and stop disrespecting me. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Goodbye. Actually, should I goodbye? I don't know if I pull this. I'm going to pull it in case I never pull it. And if I did pull it already, I talk too much, which is why I did not remember. We have Leo, and we have recording devices. That them want to do, you know, make me go in a blood clot. I try to rent me out to one place where video camera in a, microphone in a, and the landlord can torment out my blood clot. And that's what they want to put me back in a basement again. They're looking at me, telling me, tight pussy Vanessa, tight blood clot pussy Vanessa, they're looking at me and telling me that I should, you want a basement? I don't want your face, no. Your pussy is basement material. That's why you're looking for basements. Your pussy is just like a basement. No ending, no light, nothing. They want you to go in a basement so that them can flood out the blood clot basement. And that them want, you know, they're going to flood out the fucking basement when you go there. The basement will flood out and the whole of your things them all get flood night. That's what they want to happen. The basement is going to be wetter than that woman's pussy after 3 kids. We have PhD. I'm telling you this one more time. You can walk and you can tell your staff, you can tell your boss, and you can tell blood clot 311 how fucking ungrateful me is. Know who you deal with. Deal with me accordingly. I ain't one of these mindless bitches, immigrants here. Me is not the same. You know that. You know me. You know who the fuck I am. That's why you're doing this to me. But I'm just letting you know that you can do whatever you want to do to me. You are not omitted from from getting cussed the fuck off. Just know that. You're not omitted from being humiliated. Just know that. I'm not give a fuck who you is. I will humiliate the shit out of you. So act accordingly and stop telling the blood clot PhD mentality person say a blood clot basement them for inner. You're bright and fucking face day, bitch. Your fucking face day, ho. I am the game. Don't play with me. I've been homeless in Canada for 2 blood clot long. I've been homeless for 5 years. I've been in 11 different shelters for the 5 years I've been in Canada. And now government decides that they're going to give me a chance again to pay my blood clot rent in a basement. They want to put me in a dirty blood clot basement. They want to put me in a blood clot living room to go sleep with one mattress on the floor with living room, and they want the government to pay for this. This is what the workers here want. Your blood clot, man. I don't give a fuck. I hope your boss watches and see. Sweetheart, Saturn come round. You hear? Capricorn season come round. You see, the more it come close to Christmas, and the more the devil of blood clot come out. So you better mind the devil no blood clot latch itself onto you. So if you do your job accordingly, then we won't have problems. But if you want to play and you want to disrespect me, bitch, we're gonna have so much blood clot problems. Watch me. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Good motherfucking bye.